Introducing Vobot, the world's first smart clock with Amazon Alexa, which you can set alarms, timers, check the weather, read news, listen to music, and more. Vobot is a revolutionary AI-enhanced voice interactive smart clock that helps you make the most of the day. It is very easy to set alarms with the Vobot. Just tap and say, "Set an alarm for 7 a.m. every day." To start the alarm, you could hold the screen for 3 seconds or shake to dismiss the alarm. If you don't want to get up immediately, just flip Vobot over and it will wake you up in 9 minutes. When you get up, you can check weather directly from Vobot. How is the weather today?
Currently, in Los Angeles, California, it's 68 degrees.
When you're cooking, Vobot is also very helpful. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Easy, quick, friendly, never miss the right time. Vobot can be a music player at your party. You can access to any playlist from iHeartRadio, TuneIn, and Amazon Music. Except that, World Clock. Sleep sound. Customize alarm music. Shopping. Taxi. Smart home. More and more features have been added to Vobot